In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Gucci filter on Instagram. First of all, open Instagram and go to the profile from Gracia Maryland, which is the profile that I'm on right now. Next up, click on the filter icon, and then you can actually scroll until you find the Gucci filter. So this person actually has a lot of filters, but as you can see right there, you can actually get the Gucci filter. Click on try it, and then you can actually use the Gucci filter yourself. You can then film with it, you can take a picture, and then you can actually go ahead and share this in your story. Now, if you want to just make this once, you can just use this. If you want to save this, you can actually click right there, and then you can actually save it to your camera so that you can actually use it every single time, and then you don't need to go to this profile in order to use it. Now, if this works, if this helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. I would appreciate that. Go ahead and comment that this works, and then enjoy your filter and have a nice day. Peace out.